FX-12S high-precision centerless grinder with 3-meter automatic gun loading device. This integrated solution consists of the FX-12S high-precision centerless grinder, paired with a customized 3-meter automatic gun loading unit, specially configured for continuous through-feed grinding of bar stock, ranging from 2 mm to 8 mm in diameter, without requiring workpiece center holes. This setup delivers stable, high-volume precision cylindrical grinding for small-sized metal bars, widely used in medical hardware, fasteners, instrumentation, and automotive component manufacturing. The FX-12S grinder supports a base grinding diameter from 0.5 mm to 40 mm. It is fitted with a 305/150/120 mm grinding wheel and a 205/150/90 mm regulating wheel. The regulating wheel runs at infinitely adjustable speed of 0.3 to 0 RPM, with fine hand wheel resolution down to 0.001 mm for accurate dimensional tuning. Both through-feed and plunge-feed grinding modes are available to handle straight cylinders, shoulders, and rotary profiles. Standard assemblies include grinding frames, diamond dressing tools, cooling system, and full toolkits for quick setup. Matched to the grinder, the 3-meter automatic gun loading device handles long slender bars, automatically feeding raw material into the grinding zone and receiving finished work pieces after processing. It synchronizes with grinder cycles to minimize manual intervention, cut labor costs, and realize extended, unattended production. Anti-vibration structures are adopted to suppress bar wobble, guaranteeing consistent roundness and surface finish for thin small diameter bars, complete with electrical interlock safety protection. The whole system comes with operation video, guidance, and 1-year mechanical warranty. It is a practical automation upgrade for factories pursuing stable mass production of precision miniature cylindrical bars.